Prices on the homeowner's best friend.
I'll admit at my own company, in checking homeowner insurance policies, what we were quoting per square foot to build a backyard casita in materials that would match your existing house, the square foot price for that casita has doubled in the last decade.
And that's why we're running into so many people that are underinsured. And sometimes, and they don't realize that the home, the reconstruction of the home could exceed the value of the original home.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, and and you get into hazardous material removal and remediation as a part of the process, and it adds up quick and it catches people off guard. And if they would take a few moments to go and try to inventory their home, I say a few moments, it's more than that, but it's not a lifelong commitment to get their cell phone out and go through and videotape, narrate some of the items that they have, especially any upgrades that they've done, any of their valuables, just their general contents in general, to make sure that they have an idea. After a loss, people oftentimes are confused about what they've had or what they didn't have, and when it's been badly destroyed, it's difficult for them to even identify some of the items. And so without having that, they're at a little bit of a quandary in knowing what they had and what to put on the inventory or not.